Bratislava!
We're in Bratislava! And we're off to go do a walking tour. Well, we hope we are, but we're running late, so who knows if we'll make it. We found the right place and they haven't started yet. Winning.
We're going on a tour through Bratislava. Wanna see a cool building? Look at it.
Wow. Once a year they fill this fountain with, what was it, 200 litres of wine during the King and Queen's coronation. Why did we not come then? Is it a bit cold?
1 degree outside. Hey Siri, what's the temperature outside?
It's 1 degree outside.
Brr, shurikens. We got some honey cake and some rožok, which is like a Bratislavian pastry. Let's give it a go.
Oh yeah.
This tastes like a sultana pasty.
Yep, this one does.
Now we're going to give the honey cake a try.
Honey cake!
Get it in ya. You like it?
Tastes like fruit cake. I don't like fruit cake.
No. It's like gingerbread with like a jammy
Fruit cake.
centre.
Tastes like fruit cake.
Like a fruit mince centre.
Fruit cake.
The gingerbread's good.
Fruit cake.
We're learning Slavic. That means put your fingers through your throat. Super helpful. But the interesting thing about that sentence is there is no vowels. Did I nail it? Now she's taking us to Bratislava's biggest secret.
Oh, the secret.
What do you think it's going to be?
Food.
A brewery?
Oh.
Ooh. The surprise did not involve fear.
Secret.
It was a blue church.
Blue church.
It's pretty cool though.
It was quite cool.
Was
Different.
not expecting that.
The Church of St. Elizabeth.
St. Elizabeth. We're trying the Slovakian version of Coca-Cola. That's good. And it does have a bit of a coffee taste to it. Not so sweet. That's good. What do we got here?
We've got
Haluski?
Haluski.
It's a dumpling with sheep cheese. It's the only national Slavic dish. And then over here, ooh, garlic soup. Smells good. And this is kind of like gnocchi. It's potato dumplings and then with a delicious cheesy sauce.
Learned this awesome tradition here in Slovakia, and women get whipped by their friends and family.
On Easter, to celebrate Easter, and in exchange for getting a whipping, they give the man some alcohol and cake.
Yeah, sounds like a great tradition. I shall be back in Easter.
I won't be.
Can't see me because I'm black. Fade out.
We're waiting for the Christmas trip.
Christmas train, Christmas time, it's Christmas time.
We're super excited.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
chestnut roasting.
Got some honey wine and it's warm.
Jack Frost nipping at your
It tastes very alcoholic.
Very strong.
So
But it's good.
the simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
About 50% of the stalls at the market sell booze, so that's the main purpose.